Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use gestures on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, on most Samsung or Android devices, what you're going to see is the button navigations instead of gestures. So on your navigation bar, what you're going to have access to is the button. So first, you need to change this button to gestures, whereby you can swipe up and then use sliders to control the interface of your phone. Now, the first thing you want to do here is you want to turn on gestures on your Android phone. To do this, you need to go ahead and open the settings app. And under settings, scroll down, click on display. Scroll down display and click on navigation bar. Now, make sure you select swipe gestures. However, if this is not available or this direction differs in your own case, just click on search on settings and then search for swipe gestures. Once you search for swipe gestures, you should see the option called swipe gestures on your phone. So if the option is missing, just go ahead and search for navigation bar. And then under navigation bar, you have access to a feature called swipe gestures. Then select it. Now, once you selected swipe gestures, what is going to happen is the buttons will disappear on your Android phone, as you can see. Now, to go back, unlike while you use buttons, you need to use swipe to go back, like this. So if you swipe left or right, this is going to take you back to your previous page. Now, to access all your recently opened applications, you simply need to open them by swiping up like this. Unlike buttons, you need to click on the recent application at the bottom left, but while using swipe gesture on your Android, what you just need to do is swipe up from the bottom screen and you have access to all opened applications like this. So that is the basics of using swipe gestures on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.